In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in Canva, a simple yet handy feature that can help streamline your designs and presentations. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to head over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed in the upper right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click that. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to sign in. Canva makes this easy by allowing you to log in using your Google account, Facebook, or your email. Choose whichever method suits you best and you'll be in your Canva dashboard in no time. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to open Canva and create a new design. But maybe you already have a design in mind that you want to work on. That's perfect too. Navigate to that particular design from your list of projects. Once you're inside your chosen design, you'll need to find the specific page you have in mind, the one you intend to hide. In the Canva workspace, you'll see your pages displayed as thumbnails on the side or at the bottom of your screen, depending on your device. Carefully go through these thumbnails until you spot the page you wish to hide. After locating your target page, direct your attention to the small icons above the page thumbnail. Among those, you will notice an eye icon. This serves as your gateway to hiding the page. Click on that eye icon and a menu will appear. From the options presented in this menu, select Hide Page. It's as straightforward as that. Once you've made this selection, Canva will instantly make the page non-visible in the viewing mode, while still retaining all your content intact for future use. Upon successfully hiding the page, you should see a clear visual indicator on the page thumbnail itself. Typically, this is an eye icon with a slash through it, signifying that the page is now hidden from view. This allows you to continue editing your design without the distraction of the hidden content. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to focus on certain aspects of your design without permanently deleting sections, or when you're not quite ready to share those parts with collaborators. It's also a great way to manage the flow of your presentations by temporarily removing slides without losing your work. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to hide a page in Canva. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation or organizing a complex design project, mastering this feature can surely enhance your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.